Welcome to my channel. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna share with you guys the settings for the strategy just for the last time. And I'm saying for the last time because I see your guys, I see a lot of you guys requesting for the strategy which I'm using right here. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see here, we got a Euro CHF. You know what I'm saying? For real, this is also the result for the strategy. The strategy is really amazing for sure. Before I share the strategy with you guys, I always first back test, and I always make sure I use it for some time so that I can deliver to you guys something that works 100%. You know what I'm saying? As you can see guys, I flipped my account from 250. You can see here from 250, and I've been swinging the trade for 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? And as you know guys, I always take my signal with my team. You know what I'm saying? So that's how we do. Before I take my entries, I always first make sure I share with my team first so that we can also be able to make money together. You know what I'm saying? So anybody who first like want to join the team, so I used to see your comments guys, how can I join the team, how can I join the team? If you want to join the team, first you need to join the free Telegram group, and then after you join the free Telegram group, you're gonna send me a message that you want to join the team, then it will be ready to go. So today I'm gonna share the settings guys for the strategy. You know what I'm saying? As you can see guys, and I'm gonna explain you guys when to sell and when to buy when you're using this strategy right here. The strategy guys, it's so amazing, trust me when I'm saying that. And guys, remember that everything I do guys, I do it just for you guys. I work hard for you guys also to make money through my skills, through my strategies and stuff. So straight up guys, I'm going to share everything guys with you. Without a further ado, let's start. I'm going to delete everything that I have on the chart so that we can start together, and then after that I will explain you guys when to sell, when to buy, when to exit the market. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you watch the full video because it's going to be a little bit longer, but you know, not too much. So I'm gonna click F sign here just to delete everything that I have. You know what I'm saying? Delete everything. Boom. I'm sure that your chart is looking same as mine. You know what I'm saying? So let's click F sign just to add the settings. To add the settings, click F sign. Boom. Boom. And then the first thing we're gonna need is a parabolic saw. You know what I'm saying? Click here. Parabolic saw is right here. You know what I'm saying? Here's the parabolic saw. Make sure you follow me. And step one is going to be 0.02. Maximum is going to be 0.2, and then style is going to be 4 pixel color of your choice, but I personally gonna use blue. You better use blue as well. You know what I'm saying? And then click after that. You may click at the levels. You know what I'm saying? Click at the levels. Click at the levels here. Make sure there's no level, and come back here and click done. All right, boom. And then after you click done, you can see here we have it on the chart, on a chart, right? So come here, F sign again, click F sign again, boom. And this time around guys, you're gonna look for MACD. All right, click, let me show you, click here, F plus, boom. So now we're gonna look for MACD. All right, we're gonna look for MACD. Here is MACD right here. You know what I'm saying? Boom. And then MACD settings is going to be first EMA is going to be 15, and slow EMA is going to be 28. MACD CMA is going to be 12. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you do everything the same and apply to close. and main 4 pixel here, color, make sure you use the same color as mine, and signal here 4 pixel, and make sure you use blue color, you know what I'm saying. And then after that, click done. All right, click done. Boom. So as you can see here, we have it on the chart. Here it is. So we're gonna go back, guys. Click F sign here, F sign. All right, boom. All right, so this time around, guys, we're gonna add moving average, you know what I'm saying. We're gonna add moving average on MACD. So click indicator windows 1 here. All right, boom. And here we have a moving average. Here's the moving average. Click the moving average, and moving average settings is going to be period 1. All right, shift is 0, and method, make sure line away, and then apply to previous indicator data. All right, previous indicators data, and then after that, here 4 pixel color red, right? And then after you done this, click done. Boom. Now you can see here we have 2 moving average on MACD, right? So this time around, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put relative straight index. All right, click F sign right here to put relative straight index, and click indicator windows 1 here. Boom. Guys, please subscribe to the channel if you're new, and like the video for me, please, because you can see, guys, this is hard work, guys, and I'm sharing with you something amazing. So make sure you subscribe for more, and yeah, so please do that. Okay, the relative straight index, guys, is right here. You can see it here. Click on it, and then after you're done, click on it. So we're gonna start with the period 1, and apply to close, and style 4 pixel color yellow, and levels here, guys. Pay attention to this one, very important. All right, so make sure the first level here is 89.39. do it, and then type in strong cell. Okay, type in strong cell. The second one, 49.39, type in TP. The third one, 8.13, and strong buy. Okay, all right, and the last one supposed to be 16.42, type in entry. Okay, and after that, 4 pixel color red, and then after we've done that, click here, come back here. All right, and click here, done. Boom, click done. All right, come back to the chart. So guys, this is how your chart it's going to be looking like. It's going to be looking like this, you know what I'm saying. It's going to be looking like this, as you can see, guys. I find this euro CHF on this point right here. All right, and we bought all the way to level 89. Okay, so when to buy, when to sell, this is what I'm about to explain you now. When to buy and when to sell. you buy when the market reach level 80 right here. You wait. Okay, it's a strong buy, of course, but you need to wait for the market to break at least 16.14, and then you buy. Your first take profit is going to be 49.39 is your take profit one. The last take profit is right here, 89.39. This is your last take profit, because as soon as the market reach at this point right here, it's gonna sell. It's going to be a strong sell. The market is gonna drop again all the way to this 60 to this level 8. So if you're selling as well, your first take profit is still 49.39 right here. This is going to be your take profit one as well. Take profit 2, it must be level 16 over here. So I hope you understand everything. I'm gonna repeat again. You buy when the market is at level 8, you swing to level 89, and if you want to sell the currency, you wait the market to reach this level, and then you sell all the way to level 8. Before you sell the currency, make sure these two moving averages, make sure moving average red has a close below. You can see here, has a close below blue one. All right, you can see how they close right here. Red was closed below red one, and then you sell all the way to this point. When you want to buy, make sure the moving average red has closed over the blue one, something like this, something like what you see right here. All right, you can see the red one is closed, it's already closed over blue one. So guys, that's how it is. That's how we work the strategy. And when it comes to the chart here, you can see as soon as the market is dropping, giving you this kind of blackout, something like a trend line, you need to make sure before you sell, you need to make sure this trend line right here that you see on the chart, it's broken. The price action is blocking this trend line, and then make sure the market also is already on this level, and make sure also the small trend line that you see here on the chart. Let me zoom in so that you can be able to see. All right, here, this one, make sure is the price action is already break it like this, and then you enter. Your stop loss is going to be somewhere here. All right, and the other thing is time frame you must use in this with this strategy. You must use time frame of 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 15 minutes. One of this, you can choose one of this, but I would recommend you 30 minutes or 15 minutes, because the big time frames is gonna cost you a big stop loss, of course. So I would recommend you 15 and 30 minute time frame. Guys, I'm sharing the strategy with you guys for free. Otherwise, you guys would have been paying for these strategies. Many people paying for the strategies, but I'm sharing the strategy, guys, for free, everything for free, just because I want to support each other, you know. So that's how it is, guys. Make sure to do the right things. For question, you can send me the message on Telegram. It's up to you. The link is on the description below. If you want to reach me out, you can send me the message on Telegram. Let me know what is your question, and I'm here for any further questions. So I'm out, guys. I hope you're enjoying this, guys. And I did this video, guys, because I saw a lot of you guys asking about this strategy right here, but I didn't have the time to do it on time. I'm sorry for being late to give you guys your strategy again. So all right, have a good time, guys. Have a good time. See you on next one.